How to get the most out of your engine. Secrets to boost performance and lifespan. Hello and welcome. Have you ever wondered how you can keep your car's engine running smoothly and reliably for years? Today, we'll be uncovering simple yet powerful secrets to boost your engine's performance and extend its lifespan. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just someone looking to save money and avoid costly repairs, this video is for you. So, let's dive in and learn how taking care of your engine today can lead to better performance and stress-free driving tomorrow. Think of your car's engine as its heart. It powers everything. To ensure it continues running efficiently, regular maintenance is key. Not only does maintenance prevent breakdowns, but it also saves you significant money. Preventive care now means you can skip expensive repairs down the road. By following a few simple tips we're about to share, you'll be amazed at how much smoother and longer your engine can operate. First up, oil changes. This is hands down one of the most important steps you can take for your engine. Motor oil keeps engine parts lubricated, reduces friction, and prevents overheating. Over time, oil can break down and become less effective. Changing your oil regularly, according to your manufacturer's recommendations, ensures that your engine remains protected and functions efficiently. Neglect this and you risk buildup and engine damage. Next, let's focus on filters. Air and oil filters act as guards, keeping dirt, debris, and contaminants out of your engine. Dirty filters can choke your engine, reduce performance, and worsen your fuel efficiency. Make it a habit to check and replace your filters during regular maintenance. It's a small step with huge benefits. Maintaining proper fluid levels in your car is non-negotiable. The coolant in particular prevents your engine from overheating by keeping temperatures in check. It's easy to inspect levels and top them off if needed. While you're at it, don't forget to include other key fluids like brake fluid, power steering fluid, and transmission fluid. A well-hydrated car is a happy car. Spark plugs might be small, but they play a huge role in how your engine functions. These tiny components ignite the air-fuel mixture inside your engine, powering your car. Worn-out spark plugs can cause misfires, reduced fuel economy, and sluggish performance. Thankfully, spark plugs are easy to inspect and replace. Now let's talk about what fuels your ride, literally. High-quality fuel can do wonders for your engine. It burns cleaner, reduces harmful deposits, and boosts efficiency. One common question we often hear is about octane levels. Do you need premium fuel? For most cars, the answer is no. Stick to what your owner's manual specifies, and your engine will thank you. Over time, even good quality fuel can leave behind deposits in your engine. That's where fuel additives or professional fuel system cleanings come in. Doing this occasionally helps keep your engine efficient and performing optimally. Engine belts and hoses are like the unsung heroes under your car's hood. They manage everything from keeping your engine cool to powering essential components like the alternator. Inspect them regularly for cracks, fraying, or other signs of wear. Replacing these on time can prevent sudden breakdowns and expensive repairs. Did you know that the condition of your tires impacts your engine? Poor tire pressure or alignment makes your engine work harder to keep the car moving. Check your tire pressure monthly and ensure your wheels are properly aligned. This not only saves your engine, but also improves your fuel economy. Your driving habits play a massive role in engine longevity. Avoid harsh acceleration and sudden braking. They generate unnecessary stress on your engine. Instead, focus on smooth, steady driving. Keeping a consistent speed while reducing rapid gear shifts goes a long way in extending your engine's life. Pay attention to what your car is telling you. Dashboard warning lights, unusual noises, or strange smells shouldn't be ignored. Addressing issues early can prevent small problems from escalating into major repairs. For example, if your check engine light pops up, don't panic. Consult a mechanic or use a diagnostic tool to investigate further. When the temperature dips, your engine needs a little extra care. Letting your car warm up for a few minutes on cold mornings allows the oil to circulate properly. Skip this step and you're starting your drive with thick, sluggish oil that increases wear. Additionally, consider switching to winter-grade oil if you live in a colder climate. In the summer, overheating is a real concern. Your cooling system, which includes the radiator and coolant, takes center stage. Ensure everything is in top condition, or you may find yourself stranded with a steaming engine. Think twice before idling your car for extended periods. Not only does it waste fuel, but it also leads to unnecessary engine wear. Turn off the engine when it's safe to do so. Your wallet and engine life will thank you. Overloading your car with excessive weight puts undue strain on your engine. Whether it's a fully loaded trunk or towing beyond capacity, this unnecessary stress can take its toll. Keep your car's load within recommended limits to prevent undue wear and tear. For those interested in boosting performance, safe aftermarket upgrades can be a game changer. Upgrades such as cold air intake systems or performance exhaust systems not only add horsepower, but also help your engine breathe better. Always consult a professional for installation to avoid issues down the line. Conducting diagnostic checks on your engine can reveal problems before they become severe. Many auto shops offer this service, or you can invest in a code reader for a DIY solution. Keeping the engine bay clean isn't just about aesthetics. It prevents grime and debris from causing issues. Use a degreaser and brush to gently clean the engine area when it's cool. Who doesn't like saving money on gas? Simple habits like reducing idle time, maintaining steady speeds, and using cruise control whenever possible can improve your fuel efficiency while reducing stress on your engine. Whether it's filters, spark plugs, or belts, always choose quality parts for replacements. Cheap alternatives may save you money in the short term, but could lead to long-term damage. Getting your engine properly tuned ensures it runs at peak performance. This includes adjusting everything from the ignition system to the fuel-air mixture. Your car's battery supports vital engine components. Weak batteries can lead to harder engine starts and less efficient operation. Periodic checks ensure your battery is supplying adequate power. Find a trustworthy mechanic to handle advanced repairs. A good mechanic provides peace of mind and ensures your engine is in professional hands. If your car will sit unused for a while, take steps to prevent engine deterioration. Add a fuel stabilizer, keep the battery charged, and avoid parking in extreme conditions to protect your engine. A well-maintained engine ensures a safer driving experience. Smooth acceleration and reliable performance reduce risks on the road. To wrap up, here's a quick checklist. Change oil and filters regularly. Maintain coolant and fluid levels. Use quality fuel and clean the fuel system. Drive smart and avoid engine stress. Pay attention to warning signs. Keep up with diagnostics and cleaning. And there you have it, our complete guide to getting the most out of your engine. By following these tips, not only will you boost your car's performance, but you'll also extend its lifespan. If you found these insights helpful, hit the like button, share this video with fellow drivers, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow car care tips. Remember, cars that are cared for properly give back years of smooth, reliable performance. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe.